But feeling like up to the time.
I'm your driver, Daniel.
Oh, that not sound bad.
Alright, you have a go on now. Put on your seatbelt.
So, you know, some live reckless more, but you understand.
We have a special deal today, right?
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're in, if you can either pay for your ride or tell a true story, an interesting true story, and drive for free. What do you think?
I know, so then just even bus a couple of weeks ago. Say, look, a free drive wouldn't grieve me none time. That's sweet, me. That's sweet, me. Free drive for that sweet, me. Damn. Yeah, man, no. Yeah. That can't go. I meet at the free drive.
So here are the rules now. It has to be a real story. It has to be short. I have to finish the story by the time you get to your destination.
Yeah, man.
Can you deal with it?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
all right, tell me a story. Tell me a story now.
So start, sir?
Tell me a story, man.
Oh, yeah. Well, alright, you know what I say? Island Grill. Me think, me don't know, you know. Me just think say them ban me from all Island Grill locations. And so it's a girl make that happen.
Yeah.
No, me never meet her Island Grill.
Okay.
Me never take her go Island Grill. Yeah. But me feel an Island Grill ban me, I may explain why. So, me there in a Migla town. And me see one girl on nice little pink little tights. You know, little tight them I make it. You understand? And me draw down pan her and me say she walk up to one little place where say look at Devon House ice cream.
Yeah.
So you know, so me just walk up to her and say two toes and girl give me a little talk and I say, buy your ice cream, and at least me can do buy your ice cream. No, normally me not eat ice cream.
Okay.
You understand? Because me know so me got no good.
Oh, you're lactose intolerant.
Me don't know for that.
Okay.
You understand me? But me know my belly no good. Me dairy products, cheese and this, and me know my belly no good. So me don't know if I'm lactose intolerant or whatever. Yeah, lactose Ontario, wherever. Me just know some belly no good. So anyways, me decide say if me I buy her ice cream, me not gonna make it look like she alone me a sponsor. Me have to sponsor myself too.
Right.
So it not gonna look like I'm the last me I spend.
Right.
So I buy ice cream, buy myself an ice cream, I take show off. She eat off her ice cream. Me have mine pan a cone. Because I didn't want much. But you know, when you have the ice cream pan a cone, you have to lick ice cream, you can't just buy it because you don't have a spoon. You understand? So why me there, me know so girl pay me free because I lick in the ice cream part. But me not cuss her. Right. You understand? Because if I mind go one place and it lead me and I to a place, me okay with that.
Yeah.
You understand? So I told her that now nothing to do with what. Me get her number, she still eat her ice cream, we talk, you know. She said she migrated in about one couple of weeks. I said, a couple of weeks to go on. You know?
Yeah, work on it.
Work on the thing and get a thing or two before she fly out. So, you know, I make her argument, me and my belly goes, I say, I didn't know. I just made it afraid of. You understand me? But the little shop where I sell little Devon House ice cream, then they have no bathroom.
That is true.
You understand me? So, where the little place that sell ice cream, the only place me can see is a barber shop and Island Grill. Me not trust the barber shop, got too much money in that. You understand me? So my belly make the horror again the second time. Me just cut across the road. Traffic, one bag of things, skip cross, because I know so if I wait on traffic for wait for me, me not go reach where I want to reach.
Right.
Run going to the bathroom now. To my bad surprise. Out of service pan the man bathroom. You understand? Who does that?
Yo!
Pan an average day, who does that?
Yo!
So me go so.
Out of service.
You understand me? So me go so you. Go to the female side I bathroom now. No out of service not there. We go in there, nobody not in there. Perfect for me.
Perfect.
You understand? Me can't hold what go on or something. So me just go let go it. Me let go it now, you know, so me have to lock the door. Me have a bag of dung pan door now. Me shame coming out of female's bathroom. So me have to speak now like a female voice. Somebody's in here, somebody's in here. You understand? Me have to turn down the trouble a little bit. You understand? No one is in here, no one is in here.
Yeah, turn up the trouble.
Turn up the trouble, turn down the days. You understand me? No one is in here, you understand? Vocals, high pitch. After about 5 minutes, people are knock on the door. At that time, my belly say, okay, you feel alright.
Yeah.
Done and toilet paper done, so you know, so you just feel like a hand towel. You understand? Kind of coarse, but for the moment, you know, watch the coarseness. Yeah, you know what go on. The Island Grill know you too then. You understand? So anyways, go sit down and clear myself and wash my hand now. When I open that female's bathroom door, I go back to where me I come from.
Yeah.
One long piece of line full of woman away from me. Shame as the day me burn. Me say when me look on the woman and face and the woman and look at me. And me hear a woman and me go, brown man, you're nasty. Me say me Jesus, but me don't feel no way. You can't call me as long as me know for myself up a roadside. You understand me?
Yeah.
So when me done now, me don't go across the road because me didn't tell girl when me are going. Me couldn't even tell the guy, say, me soon come back, because I get the number ready, so me know me can shout her later.
Yeah, exactly.
So in a fear man, she probably thinks, say, my woman probably see me, I see my woman, I take myself, but I ain't that. I barely run, I can't meet girl up on the first day until I say, me go to, you know?
No.
Myself. So, me say, you know, go over there now, me not see girl. WhatsApp, girl, me not get girl. Call girl, me not get girl. I say, right. And then a couple months later, me see, you know, Facebook will just suggest somebody to you because you have the number in your phone. I know, girl, they're fine now. Yeah, next man get you and go breedy. Never get to see the girl get the free ice cream out of me. All me get to do I go to Island Grill. So because of that, no, me know, so Island Grill have them camera and there sitting there. So me just feel say Island Grill just post up my picture or video in the Island Grill group and say, this man here not supposed to come and run our place. And because of that, me don't know if they do it for you, me nah go to find out. So Island Grill, wherever on the day in the world, if you don't have me up, make me know so I can forward and get the fries, because on the fries slap. And KFC fries are my best. No, me I tell you them fries slap, man. Yeah,
Island Grill.
Yeah. I miss the fries. Yeah, I don't know if you know that, but I that reach me so. Anyway, today in the world, me didn't get a chance, but if you ever come back to Jamaica for summer, Brittany big up, I said more, yeah.
Brittany.
That's rich.
Big up.
Yeah, so. How me drive, see ya?
Decent. I give you 50% off. I give you 50% off that one.
Yeah, me not cuss about that.
I joke, you can drive for free.
Big up, I said, me not seeing that like a person, me not make a change of mind. I can change your mind. Yeah, son, I'm gonna.